friend. Today I gonna tell you what to do in case your SMTP is showing that email is being delivered, but your email is not received in any mailbox. So for that, there is possible many reasons, but some is very important. First of all, check if your IP is not blacklisted. For that, first you have to find on Google MX tool, blacklist search, and try to enter and search your IP address. If there is many IP address, you can search all IP address one by one. In case if any IP address is blacklisted, your email will be sent, but it will not be delivered or received by mailbox like Gmail and Yahoo. Number two reason is that there is absolutely chance that your port in VPS you sending email through the port is not opened or blocked by firewall. So the below command, you can see the command in description box, and try to run those command. If email is sent and not being delivered, then it will surely help you to resolve this issue. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any query you can comment me. In case of any help you need, you can message me on WhatsApp, you can comment me. My next video will be regarding generating some free SMTP and generating some SMTP that surely inbox. Thank you so much. Please keep subscribing.